Hey guys, so we've got exercise 5.3 here, question 4. We're starting with part A. So this is about conditional probability. So the question says that a coin is tossed 3 times, exactly 2 of the tosses result in heads. What is the probability that the result of the first toss was tails? What we have to do is to define what our universal set is. So to do that, we're going to use a tree diagram. Okay, so here we have our first toss, our second toss, and our third toss. Okay, so what we're going to put in here, we can either have the first toss, we can either have a head or a tail. The second toss, we can have a head or a tail. Okay, and I'm going to pause this and fill out the rest of the tree diagram. And now what we can do is write out what each of our possible results are. So the first one is head, head, head. Then we have head, head, tail, etc. We've got the full list of the possible options. But in our question, it says that exactly 2 of the tosses result in heads. Okay, so now we can go through and say, okay, well, not all of these potential outcomes are part of our set. Okay, so let's cross out the ones that are not relevant. So obviously this one, there are no heads in there. We're looking for results that have exactly 2 heads. Okay, so this one does not have exactly 2 heads, neither does this one. This one does, this one doesn't. This one does, this one does, and this one doesn't. Okay, so those are the ones that have exactly 2 heads. Okay, but the question is, what is the probability that the result of the first toss was tails? Okay, so what we're trying to find out is the probability that when we tossed the coin 3 times, the first toss was a tail. Okay, now looking at what we've written out here, you can read that off straight away what the result would be. But what we want to do is figure out how to do this mathematically. So using our conditional probability rule, we know, that the probability that the first toss is a tail, given that we get 2 heads, is equal to the probability that the first toss is a tail with the intersection of 2 tosses being heads over the probability of 2 heads. Okay, so first thing we need to find out is, okay, well, what's the probability that the first toss is what is the probability of the intersection that the first toss is a tail and that we have 2 heads? So if we look at the universal set, there are 8 possibilities. The intersection of there being 2 heads and the first toss being a T is only 1 over 8 possibilities. Okay, because it's only this one here. Okay, that's the only one that has 2 heads and the first toss is a tail. Okay, and then the probability that we get 2 heads, well, that's the 3 that we've circled here. So we've got head, 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 sorry, head, head, tail rather, head, tail, head, and tail, head, head. Okay, so that is 3 over 8. So the probability that the first toss is a tail, given that we have 2 heads, is given by 1 over 8 divided by 3 over 8, okay? And that is just equal to 1 over 8 times 8 over 3. Costs cancel, and that gives us 1/3.